Today we are actually in Texas. We're here at our buddy Keister's. And then we got a static dropped, very clean driver. Manual transmission, of course. We're gonna be doing a stainless exhaust on this as well. Just a simple, clean look, just to get some good exhaust flowetry out of it. And then we're also gonna be building him a new intake pipe. Right now, it's just soaking up all the heat from the radiator. You know, it's just sitting right here, getting hot. So we're gonna get funky, get some pies, and we're gonna twist it and get it in this area. And then at a later date, possibly build a box for it. So just to get like some nice cold air. Here's some components. We got some titanium bullet resonators, a bunch of pie cuts, V-bands. So we got this really cool piece. It's basically a do-it-yourself X pipe. So just a couple pieces that are already pre-laser cut. All you gotta do is weld it together and you got yourself a very nice X pipe. So far I like it. Very similar to how I would do it. You know, it's got a big opening, good chamber, so. right, guys, that about wraps up all our fabrication we did on the Corvette and the 66. Shout out to TiCON and Stainless Bros for providing us with all the badass materials that we need for both these projects. Shout out to Dave for letting us do all this awesome work. And we'll see everybody at Dino's. If you're coming out to Dino's Get Down, we'll be out there. So come check us out and come check out Kiowa. We got a special treat for you on that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll catch you later. Backwards. You fucked this one up a little bit. Oh, I did. You fixed it though. I don't know what you're talking about.
Never happens.